Hello and welcome to my Holistic Healing YouTube channel. I'm Shoma Pandit. Namaste. And today I'll be talking about the moonstone and its use in crystal therapy. Since today is Monday, and which is called Somvar, named after the moon god Somdev Chandra, it's a great day to be talking about moonstone, which is a stone related with the moon. So I would like to start with a beautiful Vedic Sanskrit Bij mantra related to the moon deity to bless our interaction today. So I would like to ask you to join your hands in Anjali Mudra, close your eyes, take a deep breath. Om Shram Shrim Shrom Saha चंद्रमसे नमः ओम। This is a beautiful mantra holding all the seed or bij syllables related to the moon god. The moon in the Vedic system is very important even in the Vedic Jyotish or astrology, and also the healing modality and in devotion. It's related to the mother, the feminine energy, healing, nurturing the mind and emotions. So one prays to the moon for getting emotional balance and clarity, mental clarity. The moon is related to the yin or feminine mothering energy, and in the holistic sciences, it is used for balancing the emotional cycles, just like you have the waxing and the waning of the moon. It is said that the reproductive fertility cycle of the women are synced with the moon, or called the moon cycle. So praying to the moon or the moonstone can help to balance that yin energy of fertility, or reproductive hormonal issues with women. It can be used with different chakras in the body, based on what you're looking for. So the moon god Soma or Chandra is said to have emerged during Samudra Manthan, or the churning of the ocean of milk. A lot of other beautiful things also came along with that. One of them was Dhanvantri, or the god of Ayurveda or healing, and Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth and abundance and all things beautiful. There was also halahal, or the poison. So that's why there's always a duality that plays out in nature. You have poison on the one end, but then you have the healing powers on the other end. So crystal therapy is one of the holistic sciences related to using crystals, which are like precious or semi-precious stones that can be placed along different chakras or energy vortexes within the body to balance the energy grid. So when the energy is out of balance, then we tend to fall sick. So balancing it can make a huge difference to your well-being. The moonstone is related to new beginnings, to awareness, to intuition. It's related to the Ajna chakra, or the third eye or intuition, and the Sahasra or the crown chakra, which is for divine communication, related to lucid dreaming and just a greater awareness of the higher consciousness. It can also be used for calm sleep or soothing anxiety, or if you are traveling, especially over water, it provides calmness and helps with releasing emotional trauma enhances intuition and psychic abilities, promotes divine inspiration. If you use the moonstone at a place of work, then it can increase your creativity and your mental clarity and decision making. It bestows good fortune in love and business and is useful for self introspection. So let's take a look at this beautiful moonstone. So here, as you can see the milky white moonstone. And just as the moon has, they say chand pe daag hai, or there are marks or patterns on the moon. So even the moonstone, you can see, is not just perfectly white, but its beauty is enhanced by the interplay of the white and the dark spots. So this is the beautiful moonstone. I'm also wearing a moonstone ring over here. So that can be used for all these beautiful things that I talked about new beginnings, increasing your intuition, and just a nurturing, lovely, feminine energy to it. So you can also use, this is a silica or a clear quartz wand, and this is the same thing, the clear quartz, but in an egg shape. So this is called the master healer stone, the clear quartz, and this can be charged in the moonlight to increase its powers, to balance it. It balances all the other crystals. So then you can place it with your other crystals like the moonstone, for example, to charge the moonstone initially. You might even chant the moon mantra that I chanted in the beginning to charge it, or place it in the moonlight. The other ways of charging your crystals could be sage smudging or soaking it overnight in salt water to purify it. So there are different ways to apply the moonstone for your healing therapeutic purposes. You can